Hey everyone, I have King. He's come with one of his daughters. These daughters were just born in September. Queen, his partner, and King came with 3 or 4 girls that they had baby girls. Now, he seems to go out a lot with one of his daughters. That's one of his daughters. It's only a young female King Parrot. And sometimes he comes with the 3 or 4 of them. Yeah, but he seems to go out with her instead of Queen now. So Queen is not coming, but he's coming with his daughter. But Queen does come every now and then, guys. But I haven't seen her now for maybe a week or so. Yeah, this is one of King's daughters. It's very cute. They only came out of the nest around September. Yeah. Okay, that's the video for today. Bye.